Hello, I'm Tom and welcome to the Uphaven YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use our CDC Feather Clip Pack. So it's the CDC Feather Clip Pack. It comes with 3 sizes of feather clip. So we've got the large, the medium and the small. Now the idea is that these grip the feathers, or material doesn't have to be a feather. You can use it to grip dubbing, and then you can then transfer that into a dubbing loop or a split thread and then wind it on, making it a really versatile product. Probably the most common use for these is with CDC and spinning CDC hackles up, or spinning, CDC onto the hook, and that's what I'm going to use it for. So I'm going to go in with the natural CDC. Now what I'm going to do, so I've got 2 feathers here out of the natural CDC pack, and I'm going to lie them on top of each other. Now once they lay on top of each other, I'm going to use a feather prepper. So this is from Hairline. Stonefo also do one. Just makes it a little bit easier, and you can see it's got lots of little grooves and slits in there. So basically what you do is you just slide your feather in there. Both feathers in there, and it puts all of the hackle fibres up to the top. And then what we do is we go in with our CDC clip, pull the feather out, and then just trim along, and you're left with your CDC like that in the clip. Now that can be put down and left to one side while we deal with the thread. So this is black UTC 70 denier. It's a multi-yarn thread. Now the reason I'm using a multi-yarn thread is so I can split it really nice and easily. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spin my bobbin, and what that'll do is it'll take any twists out of the thread and just allow me to slide my dubbing needle or bodkin in there and just open up that thread. So there you go, I've parted the thread, got my finger in between it. Then all I'm going to do is come in with my CDC, offer it where I want it, remove my finger, apply a little bit of tension, just let that thread grip it, and then pull the length off, twist my bobbin, again spinning it up. Now this is going to put some twists in the thread to hold the CDC. You can see there, as I've done that, it's twisted the thread up and helped to catch the CDC in nice and tight. So again, spin it and just run it up, and you can see I've put loads of twists in there, and then what that meant is all of that CDC has just splayed out nicely. So then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to wind it on and just stroke those fibres back like so, and that just allows you, as you can see there, to add a really nice sparse hackle. You could use that on the front of a shrimp pattern to imitate some legs. Really popular on jig CDC nymphs. If anyone's watched the pink grayling tag nymph that I did on the YouTube video, you can see I spin some CDC up in there. You can use it with partridge as well. Partridge hackle's really good for using if you're going to tie some grunters and you've only got long hackle fibres. You can just trap them in, use them a bit shorter. So like I say, really good product. hope you found that instructional video useful, and if you want to take a look at the product, I will tag it in the link below. And if you've enjoyed the videos and you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, please press like, and we'll see you in the next one.